So thank you so much, seriously, for everything, everything that you shared with us. And I'm gonna to be honest, it took me a long time to decide to, attend these classes, and you really helped me, not for all the knowledge that you give me, but because I feel stuck in my career. I say to you multiple times that I'm working with animals, and I realized that this is not what I wanted to do in the future. But I also was like, so what I want to do? I know that I joined in research because I always was thinking that I wanted to help patients and help people. So you, at the beginning, when I started, hear that, there are nurses, there are doctors, there are physicians, I was just like, okay, I'm a PhD, but I have no experience with people at all, with person at all. So you make me feel comfortable, you make me feel like I'm not wrong, even if my background is completely different, I can do it. So you give me a lot of confidence. Thank you for everything. You didn't judge me.